It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Saturday, the 30th of July. I'm Michael Groff. It's another soupy morning out there today, and that could result in an increase in the number of showers and storms across the area with better instability. But as we go forward, it looks like a downtrend in thunderstorm activity will take place at least for the first half of the upcoming week, but then more active weather likely to return by later in the week and next weekend. All right, let's get into it here. Taking a look at the almanac from yesterday, 100 degrees the afternoon high, 78 was the morning low, the normal high 106, the normal low 85. A trace of rain once again in the bucket at Sky Harbor yesterday. Some of you saw more than that, but as has been the case, many of you didn't see anything at all. As we take a look outside right now at 8:15 a.m., partly cloudy sky this morning. A lot fewer clouds than in previous days, but yeah, it's still steamy. 90 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point way up at 68, relative humidity 49%. The winds are calm and the barometer is rising. The overall synoptic weather pattern here across the region has not changed very much. We have dual areas of high pressure that are bifurcating the region. One is sitting well to the north and west of us over the Pacific Northwest and along the west coast. Another one over the southeast U.S. and the Gulf Coast region extending toward us here in the southwest. And between those, Arizona just sits in sort of this dead zone, if you will, where the upper level wind flow is rather light and chaotic in nature, and it's dominated mostly by these discrete features, these weak little disturbances that rotate in. So as a result, we haven't been getting much in the way of good mixing in the atmosphere or widespread shower and thunderstorm activity because we've had so many clouds around. The sun just hasn't been able to get through all that soup. But today, with fewer clouds around, I think instability will increase. So the number of showers and storms likely to pick up. And we see another disturbance approaching us from the east. And that might help to enhance storm activity this afternoon and tonight, especially over eastern Arizona. All right, here's the watch warning map. We still have flood watches over northern Arizona, Flagstaff, the Grand Canyon, Prescott, Payson, and points to the east across New Mexico as well. And excessive heat still a problem over the Pacific Northwest. Once again, if you're in Boise, Idaho, Spokane, Washington, Portland, Oregon, likely to be warmer up there than it is here. Here's the convective outlook for today. A marginal risk of severe storms over parts of Montana and North Dakota. Here in Arizona, we're in the green. Thunderstorms possible. And while we don't anticipate widespread severe storms, any one storm can obviously become severe, putting down some strong gusty winds and some hail. And here's a look at precipitation valid through next Saturday morning. Rain amounts in Phoenix around 1/2 to 2/3 of an inch. We should see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches up north over in the eastern mountains, and maybe as much as 3 inches for parts of far southern and southeast Arizona, as well as northwest Mexico. But whenever we show this graphic during the monsoon season, especially, you remember your amount will vary. Any one spot can get a lot more than what is shown here, as was obviously the case in Las Vegas the other day, where they had as much as 2 inches of rain in less than an hour on the Las Vegas Strip. That was crazy to see. So that's how these forecasts generally go, especially in this kind of an atmosphere that we have right now. Thunderstorms today and tonight will be efficient rain producers. All right, let's see if we can figure out where this weather pattern is headed and what the future may hold. We'll do that by taking a look at the models. Here we go. This is the GFS, the Global Forecasting System, and this is the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And it's the same old setup. High pressure sitting to the north and west of us, another ridge over the southeast, the southern plains. And between that, Arizona just under this sort of dead zone where it's the chaotic flow pattern. And we have a little area of low pressure that's sitting to the north and west of us, a weak disturbance across parts of southern Nevada, northwest Arizona, and Utah. And another disturbance approaching eastern Arizona from New Mexico and northwest Mexico. So what it all means for us down at the surface today, partly cloudy, quite a bit of sun actually out there, especially this morning. And so that should help to further destabilize the atmosphere. Then we'll see the clouds increase for this afternoon. Scattered showers and thunderstorms favoring the higher terrain for the most part today, but widely scattered storms possible in the deserts. And those storms should really start to pick up across the eastern part of the state this afternoon and tonight. High temperatures in Phoenix today, upper 90s to about 102, but oh, you better believe it's going to be muggy out there. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, mostly cloudy overnight. Showers and thunderstorms from the eastern portion of the state might just hold together and make it into the southern deserts, so we'll go with a 30% chance of rain overnight. And some of those storms could put down some heavy rain as well. Overnight lows, mid-70s to low 80s. And then tomorrow, mostly cloudy in the morning, kind of what we've had the last several days, with a few showers and storms around that will become partly cloudy in the afternoon with some isolated storms possible again. Scattered showers and storms for the higher terrain of northern and eastern Arizona. And high temperatures tomorrow, probably again upper 90s to about 101. As we go to Monday, the weather pattern really transitions here. We see our ridge, these dual areas of high pressure that we've had, now begin to consolidate across parts of Colorado and New Mexico. So the flow aloft still out of the southeast, but with high pressure closer to us, some warmer air in the mid-levels, I think the conditions will start to stabilize in the atmosphere. We still expect widely scattered showers and thunderstorms over the higher terrain, but only isolated storms in the afternoon and evening hours here in the lower deserts. So kind of a low-grade monsoon takes over for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And with high pressure a bit closer to us, high temperatures should warm up a little bit, although still, moisture levels should be high enough that temperatures don't get out of hand. I expect highs somewhere between about 101 to 105 each day, which is pretty close to seasonal averages for early August. Now, going to Thursday, that ridge is going to start to shift off to the north and east once again, and a southeasterly or easterly flow takes over, and those easterly waves that have been so prominent around here for the last week or so, they should start to return, so conditions become more unsettled on Thursday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms develop once again. High temperatures might fall back a degree or two with increased cloud cover. And again, humidity levels picking back up to more excessive levels once more. And on Friday, the area of high pressure now over the central plain states, easterly flow. And a rather pronounced short wave is advertised by our global models to approach the area either Thursday or Friday. We don't know exactly when this will occur, but indeed, scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms likely to return, and high temperatures headed back down somewhere to the upper 90s to maybe around 100 or so. Here's a week from today. This is Saturday, the 6th of August, an unsettled pattern again with high pressure over the plains, a deep east to southeasterly flow in place, short waves rotating around that for numerous showers and thunderstorms. Some of those could put down some heavy rain. And then as we take a look out 10 days, this is Monday, the 8th of August, and kind of a change in the pattern, a rather broad, baggy trough sitting out there just off the west coast. And if that's right, deeper southwesterly flow comes in, and that could push the moisture out of here. Thunderstorm chances really heading down, and temperatures to remain at or maybe even a degree or two shy of average, if that's correct. But again, this is 10 days out, and things are likely to change. All right, looking at rainfall for Phoenix going out through the 13th of August, and this is coming off of the European ensemble. The mean is still up there around 1.5 inches, and you got individual members that are way up there at 2 and 3, 4 inches, and some members that are barely showing anything over 1/10 of an inch. And temperatures off the national blend of models for the most part remaining at or below normal through the forecast period. We don't anticipate any major heat waves, any significant areas of high pressure coming in here. And that's probably the best news that we've had so far over the last week or so. Now, if only we could get some rain to go with that on a widespread basis. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning with active weather expected to continue. We'll stay on that 7-day schedule. If you enjoy these videos, of course, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell. Leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. Music fans, check it out. It is still there. It's always there, 24/7, 365, the streaming station that everyone should love. It's called KMGX. We play a ton of music, have a lot of fun doing that. Myself, and more importantly, the one and only Michelle, are involved in the programming and operation of that station. So give it a listen. I leave a link to it in the description. Thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support, it is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there. I know it's not 110 degrees, but with this humidity, yeah, you want to drink plenty of water if you're out and about. And have yourselves a great Saturday.